Did you know that fast fashion is made to fall apart, while sustainable fashion is built to last? By reducing your overall consumption and impulse purchases, you can invest in stylish quality pieces that will last for years to come.
You're a powerful force for change. Vote with your wallet and choose to spend your hard-earned dollars on a company that supports women, fair wages, and clean environmental practices.
Want to keep your closet neat and lean but still itching for something new? Trade in items that you no longer use or love for items that someone else no longer needs. Everyone wins.
Fast fashion overproduced at an inhumane cost to keep up with demand. So, by buying used, you don't introduce anything new through supply chain, you eliminate waste, and you lower the demand for fast fashion.
Show your clothes some love by cold washing and repairing them. It takes much less time to repair them than shopping for disposable items time and time again. Plus, you're just reducing waste.
Try asking yourself, is it really my style and not just the trend of the moment? Will it go with other pieces in my closet? Will I wear it at least 30 times? And what does it say about me and what I stand for?
Educate yourself about where a garment was made, by whom, and with what processes. When you know the facts, it's easier to stick with your values.
Need a statement piece for that special occasion but can't justify the cost or the 30 wears? Sites like Rent the Runway allow you to get that new clothes feeling without the cost to the environment or to your wallet.
Think timeless, not trendy. When deciding on fashions that truly speak to your personality, style, and persona that you're representing to the world. The fashions that are most beautiful are those we wear with confidence, because that's when we look and feel our best.
Don't hide that repeat outfit. Show off how much you love it by rocking it again and again and again.